Ow. Hello everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hyram. If you don't know who I am, my name is Hyram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. So skincare, it's something that we all should be doing and you know you should do it too, but god damn it, it's just too much work. The fact that you've not only gone to the effort of going out and buying skincare, but now you're supposed to apply that shit to your face every single day, that's just too much. Who wants to do that? It's a lot of effort, it takes time. I don't blame any of you for not wanting to do skincare. I was in that same spot a few years ago. I would buy multiple skincare products only to never use them and think to myself, Hyram, you piece of shit, what are you doing with your skin? You know this is bad. You know you should do better. But there's just something about wanting to sleep in those extra few minutes in the morning that's just, it's hard to pass up. Like putting a cream on your face versus getting that extra 5 minutes of sleep. I mean, come on, let's be honest. What are you gonna choose? 2 years ago, I was the laziest person when it came to my skincare routine. I would use a product approximately once per week and then just be like, oh my god, I'm doing so good. When in reality, I knew I was supposed to be doing that every single day. My lazy ass just didn't want to. Which is why I'm creating this video to teach you guys how I was able to get out of that lazy cycle, find a good skincare routine and skincare system that would work for someone as lazy as myself. I was able to do a daily skincare routine without ever changing the laziness of my nature. And how I still managed to do it even though I have an entire YouTube channel dedicated to skincare. That is a miracle in and of itself. I don't know how I did it. So let's get into it. So first things first, let's talk about your skincare routine. Most likely you've probably gone to Sephora, heard a recommendation from one of the sales associates, ended up buying 3 products, and convinced yourself in the store that you were going to start taking your skin seriously. You use it once at home and then they continue to collect dust on your shelf as you never use them. And the cycle will repeat itself over and over and over again because we're trash. So my first recommendation is just simplify your skincare routine. In order to have a good skincare routine, you only need 4 things: a cleanser, a treatment, a moisturizer, and an SPF. If you want to learn more about that process and how to find the best products for each of those steps, go to the link in my description box below where I have the Skincare 101 series. I make it all super simple for anyone to do. But yeah, eliminate all the other products because really those are the only 4 things that you need to be doing. Commit to those 4 products and then you can start to introduce other products afterwards as you get more and more in routine with those products. Either that or you could just find one of those 10-in-1 products where it's a cleanser, moisturizer, serum, spouse, dog, career, house, in one. I don't know, I heard they were sold at Target, but I haven't found one yet. So in the meantime, focus on simplifying your skincare routine. Now next was something that completely catapulted me into doing my skincare routine. One of the main things that I hate about doing a skincare routine is having to go to the sink, get your face soaking wet and possibly get your clothes wet as well, cleanse your face, get soap dripping down your neck, and then dry your face off after you've rinsed off, to then be expected to fall asleep after that traumatic experience. Like, hell no. No way. And that was the biggest reason I didn't apply my skincare. So a revolutionary step is just to put your cleanser in the shower. When you're taking a shower, just take a pump of the cleanser, froth it up in your hands and massage it into your face for a good 30 seconds and then rinse off. You're already wet anyway. You're not going to get any of your clothes soaked because you are butt-ass naked. And it literally takes 30 seconds and feels like nothing. This revolutionized my skincare routine because once I started doing this, I was able to continue building upon the skincare that I was trying to do. Because when I didn't even cleanse my face, I was like, what's the fucking point of doing the rest of the skincare routine when I can't even cleanse? But doing this trick got my cleansing out of the way, which made it easier to go on to the next steps. So I highly recommend putting your cleanser in your shower to just avoid that problem. Now we've all been in this situation. We come home from partying at the club, we collapse into our bed to realize you probably should have done your skincare routine or at the very least take your makeup off before you go to bed. But with how incredible the bed feels and how alluring sleep is, you end up passing out to only wake up the next morning realizing you didn't do shit. Nighttime skincare was something that I literally never did because of this. Once I got into bed, I was like, goodbye bitch, sayonara, that's all I'm doing. So my recommendation is to have your nighttime skincare right next to your bed. And the main thing, have a cleansing water and a makeup remover right there so that you can do your entire skincare routine without ever leaving your bed. This made such a huge difference for me and got me into the practice of doing my nighttime skincare to the point to where I'm now able to do the entire thing in the bathroom no problem. Being able to just lay there, cleanse your face, and then apply your moisturizers and serums afterwards without ever having to stand up is liberating. Oh, also, just letting you guys know, this video isn't sponsored or anything, but I did partner up with Taihu Snow Silk to give one of you guys this silk pillowcase, which I've been using for, I'd say about 2 months now, along with this eye mask, which, you know, can be used for multiple things. Anyway, so if you want to win those, go over to my Instagram where you can enter the giveaway. Anyway, moving on. And while yes, cleansing water may not be the best thing in the world, hey, it is better than nothing, and the fact that you're doing anything to help your skin instead of just passing out is an accomplishment in my opinion. We have low standards here, that's all we need. And if you are someone who wears makeup, I highly, highly, highly recommend this because wearing makeup to bed is a huge no-no. And then here's my last recommendation. If you are truly someone who hates skincare, is not interested in it, but knows that it is good for your skin and that you should be doing something, there's really only one step you absolutely need to be doing, and that is sunscreen. You should be applying a sunscreen every single day because it literally prevents all the damage that all the other products that you use in a routine work to undo. It is far better that you only use a sunscreen and don't use any other products than it is to use 10 other products and not use a sunscreen. That's how effective it is. And if you don't believe me, just look at the science, bitch. It's there. 90% of premature aging is due to sun exposure alone. 90%. So sunscreen is the most important part. And if you do nothing else and you are truly the embodiment of a lazy ass hoe, just put on sunscreen, please, for my sake, please do it. And that's it. Those are all the tips that I have. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any tips as well, please comment them. We need them. I'm even still struggling to be as proactive about skincare as I should be. And I'm sure there are lots of other people who are as well. If you are interested in learning more about skincare, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any concerns that you are looking to take care of, feel free to join the Skincare Junkie family. It's a community where we answer any problems that you may be having about your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Now, if it was up to me, I would make my skincare as simple as possible. Talk about a 10-in-1 product where it's a cleanser, serum, moisturizers, SPF, career, house, dog, wife. I'm gay. Ow.